Hey, welcome to this short video clip. We are increasing or decreasing by a percentage of an amount, and we've got two examples to go through, one of decrease, one of increase. One involves decimals. Okay, now remember, to find any or to answer any percentage question, you've got to remember how to find the four key percentages, and we'll just draw that table over here. So I've got my percentage, and what I need to do over here. So if I want to find 50%, 25%, 10% or 1%, I've got to divide by 2, divide by 4, divide by 10 or divide by 100. Okay, so let's dive in. If I want to decrease £120 by 40%. Okay, so what that means is I'm going to take my original amount. Okay, so it's 120. I want to decrease it, so that's take away. Take away 40% of £120. Okay, so that's my new mathematical sum. I've got decrease £120 by 40%, so it's £120. Take away 40% of £120. Now I'm going to draw a little bubble around this 40% of £120 because actually we need to know what that is before we can take it away. So 40% of £120. So off to my right hand side here, I'm going to do a little bit of working out. So I know that 50% equals 120 divided by 2, which equals 60, and I know that 10% equals 120 divided by 10, which equals 12. Now if I want 40%, I'm going to take them away from each other. So I've got 40% equals 60 take away 12. 60 take away 12 is going to be 48. So 40% of £120 is £48. So I've got £120 as my original, I'm taking away £48. Okay, so 120 take away 48, well that leaves me with £72. So there's quite a bit of working out there, there's quite a few steps to go through, but if you take them one step at a time, it should be fairly straightforward. We'll go through one more example. The process is the same, only this time we're increasing rather than decreasing. Okay, so increase 60 kilograms by 12.5%. Okay, so I've got 60 kilograms. I want to increase it, so I'm adding, and I want to add 12.5% of the original amount. Put a bubble around it because I need to work out what that is first. So off to my right hand side, do a bit of working out. Right, 12.5%. Well, 12.5 is half of 25%. So if I can work out what 25% is, which is 60 divided by 4, which is equal to 15. 12.5% is 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So 12.5% of 60 kilograms must be 7.5 kilograms. So what I've got is 60 kilograms increased by 7.5 kilograms, which, if I increase 60 kilograms by 12.5%, I get 67.5 kilograms, and that is my final answer.